1E and a 2 and a 3E and 4E and a 1 and a 2E and a 3 and here we go. My name is Sahira and I'm here to teach you the beautiful art of belly dance. So I just wanted to play a little pattern. Those of you who are in my membership know I distinguish between rhythms, patterns, and riffs, right? And the basic idea is that I consider a rhythm to be something that has, and this is my definition, this is not like the Webster dictionary definition, this is my definition. A rhythm, when it comes to our finger symbols, I consider to be a pattern with a name that is a known rhythm that is used throughout much of our music, like melody, Masmudi, Saidi, Ayub, right? It is a rhythm, it has a name, it's a recognizable thing, drummers play it all the time, right? For me, a pattern is anything that is a pattern, right? Like that's redundant. Anything that repeats itself over and over and over. And so in my mind, honestly, the gallop is a pattern, even though it does have a name and it's highly recognized. No drummer gets on his drum and goes da 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 da. It's just 3 over and over. Or what if we were going to do 5s, which we're going to play with today? If you're going da 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 da, it's a pattern, right? I'm just playing 5 and then 5 and then 5 and then 5, right? But it's not a rhythm in the way I define things, just to make things clear in my brain, right? And then a riff for me is like a musical phrase. Like if we're going to talk about our patterns and our playing as like a story, you could have, your strokes are like your words, and maybe your pattern is like a sentence, and then your riff is a paragraph that has like a beginning, middle, and an end and a central idea. So what I want to do today, I'm going to say falls into the pattern category. It's a pattern and we're going to repeat it over and over, but I don't consider it a riff because it's not a longer idea. It's not a paragraph. It's just a long run-on sentence. And I'm going to use the 5 because I really dig the 5 because I love the math behind the 5. If we're doing 5s, and 5 just means 5 16th notes in a row, 1 E and a 2, right? 5 16th notes in a row, 1 E and a 2. We love 4s. We love 3s. 4s are square, right? When we have a run, 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a, it just keeps, it starts on the 1, it ends right before the 1, and then it starts on the 2, it ends right before the 2. What's cool about the 5, because it's 1E and a 2, and it ends on the 2, when we start again, because we're going to give it a 16th note rest, then we're going to start on the and of the 2. 1E and a 2, rest on the E, and a 3E and, rest on the 4E and a 1, rest on the E, and a 2E and, and a 2E and. So it ends up feeling a little syncopated. If I count it with just 5s for edification, but then I'm going to count it with the musical counting method again. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Where the downbeat is keeps changing. 1E and a 2 and a 3E and 4E and a 1 and a 2E and 3E and a 4. It takes that many to sort of end on the beat again, right? So whether or not that makes sense, all the words coming out of my mouth, where it falls on the beat continually changes because it's a 5 and not a 4. So here it is again. Da 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 again. Da 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 da. So it's kind of cool because it's like you say, potato, 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 syllable, 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 syllable. Like you put like your accent on a different syllable each time, which makes it kind of fun. So 3 5s, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3. 3 5s, 1 7, 1 3, which suddenly makes me think 8 6 7 5 3 0 9. I don't know why. 1E and a 2 and a 3E and 4E and a 1 and a 2E and a 3 and a 4. Whew! I was afraid I wasn't going to be able to do that. one E and a two, and a three E and, four E and a one, and a two E and a three, and a four. Say it with me a couple of times because, well, let's say it with the dancer counting method, counting five, then five, then five, then seven, then three. Let's do that once. And then we'll count musical counting method. Yeah, here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, now, musical counting method. I'll slow it down. You will get it by repetition. Yeah, here we go. It's 1E and a 2, and a 3E and, 4E and a 1, and a 2E and a 3, and a 4. Again, 1E and a 2, and a 3E and, 4E and a 1, and a 2E and a 3, and a 4. One more time. 1E and a 2, and a 3E and, 4E and a 1, and a 2E and a 3, and a 4. Which is a fancy way of saying 5, 5, 5, 7, 3. But what I like about it, there's so many things I like about it. I could write it down, I can repeat it later on, but then it also allows me to see where those down beats are so that I can know where like a little bit of accent happens. Yeah? So now we're going to play it. I'm going to stand up and mark time because I really like to see where does this fit on the beat. Feel free to play it seated a couple times, but then I would like to invite you to stand up and mark time because that's where it gets funky, y'all, is feeling how it slides over the beat because of the fact that it is an odd and not an even number of strokes. Yeah? So I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be 1E and a 2, and a 3E and, 4E and a 1, and a 2E and a 3, and a 4. Say it again. 1E and a 2, and a 3E and, 4E and a 1, and a 2E and a 3. One more time. And a 1E and a 2, and a 3E and, 4E and a 1, and a 2E and a 3, and here we go. Again. If I count it this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Again. And pause. Tiny bit faster. Feel free to change up the sounds if you'd want. And then if you want to challenge yourself and start dancing to it, absolutely go. We'll do and a go. All accents. I'm accenting the step. That's hard. Again. One more time. Oh, I just tried to do a thing I've never done before and it did not blow up in my face. I'm going to explain it to you once in case we want to try it really slow. In order to show you where the downbeat was fitting inside of this little run-on sentence, this little tiny riff or long pattern we created, I was clacking on the beat, right? Because the beat isn't always on the 1 of the 5, or the beat isn't always on the 5 of the 5. It changes each time, which is what makes it cool, right? So if we were to imagine, I'm going to say it, and I've always been saying it this way, with the accent on the beat, counting it dancer style. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. I want to try it just one more time because that was kind of wild. I'll do the same thing. I'm going to clack on the beat. playing that riff. You're welcome to join me or just keep playing it as it is. We'll do it a couple times through slowly. 6, 7, here we go. It's one. Ooh, that's kind of funky. Yeah, that's pretty funky, y'all. Um, so I invite you to take that and use it either acapellally, in an acapella setting, acapellally, or with music. Grab a song that you've been zilling to, pick something kind of slow to start, and see if you can place that on top. And even if you don't remember that full riff, what I invite you to play with are five 16th notes with 1/16th note rest. It's a very simple concept that's not easy to play because of the way that the beat is going to shift a little bit as you play it. But I think it's so fun and so funky. So yeah, I thought I would share that with you so y'all could play with it a little bit. You all have a beautiful, fabulous weekend, and I look forward to making music with you again soon. Bye for now.